Okay, hi everybody. Now I'm doing a 2 to 6 relay. So let's see how that was. So again, starting from big to small. And let's see, I can see how to play this part. And I see how I can play. Here's three things, and then I can just connect this one. Personally, in big groups, I rather pass look around than to just moving, because then it changes the orientation of this. Cross edges finished. Like, I like using from 6x6 and up a combination between Yaw and Redux, because that I hate pairing up the centers using Yaw, because it's just taking me a lot of time. Then I'm doing the same thing, getting a lot of look ahead with pairing up centers easily. What that it does take is, like, it does take a little bit more look ahead, and also the cross edges aren't as easy to make. So 6x6 took me 3.5 minutes, and without noise inspection, nothing. Just going straight into the sub. So doing relays gives you, like, no inspection if you want to be quick with it, or if you can remember a lot, then you can do inspection for all of them at the start, because you have like 15 minutes, 15 seconds, sorry. If you like really want, when you're on the finishing stage, like in the last algorithm, first thing first, 653, but when you're on the finishing step of the algorithm, like the PLL for 6x6, you can already like take a look by under 5x5 to see like inspection. But that's it. Goodbye. See you in the next video.